Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today we will be exploring the wisdom of three influential figures, Mahatma Gandhi, Oprah Winfrey, and Earl Nightingale. These three leaders have inspired millions with their words and actions, and today we will be sharing some of their most memorable quotes with you. If you can understand and implement some of these life lessons, our abilities to navigate various situations as they come up will be greatly enhanced. So without further ado, let's absorb some of these amazing life lessons. Quote 1. This one comes from Mahatma Gandhi. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Now, Gandhi's words remind us that we have the power to bring about positive change, not only in our own lives, but in the world around us. Being the change we wish to see, we can inspire others to do the same and more. Quote number 2 comes from Oprah Winfrey. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Now, Oprah encourages us to pursue our dreams and to embrace the unknown. By stepping out of our comfort zones and taking chances, we open up ourselves to new experiences and opportunities. Quote number 3 comes from Earl Nightingale. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. Nightingale's quote reminds us that success is not a destination, but a journey. It is a result of consistently working towards a worthy goal or ideal and the progress we make along the way, which makes a difference. Quote number 4 comes also from Gandhi. An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. What powerful stuff. Gandhi's words speak to the importance of forgiveness and nonviolence. By seeking revenge, we only perpetuate a cycle of violence. Instead, Gandhi encourages us to seek an understanding and a resolution in conflicts. Quote number 5 comes from Oprah Winfrey. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Oprah reminds us to take time to appreciate and celebrate the good things in our lives. By focusing on the positive, we can attract more positivity into our lives. Quote number 6 comes from Earl Nightingale. You become what you think about most of the time. Nightingale's quote emphasizes the power of our thoughts. By focusing on what we want to become, we can shape our own reality. Quote number 7 comes from Mahatma Gandhi. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Gandhi's words speak to the importance of aligning our actions with our values and beliefs. When we are true to ourselves, we are able to find happiness and inner peace. Quote number 8 comes from Oprah Winfrey. The biggest challenge in life is discovering who you are. The second biggest challenge is being happy with what you find. Oprah's quote highlights the importance of self-discovery and self-acceptance. It can be a challenging process, but when we are able to embrace our true selves, we can find happiness and fulfillment. Quote number 9 comes from Earl Nightingale. We all have within us a center of stillness surrounded by silence. Nightingale's words remind us of the importance of finding inner peace and quiet amidst the chaos of the world. By taking time to connect with our inner selves, we can find strength and clarity. Quote number 10 also comes from Mahatma Gandhi. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Gandhi's final quote speaks to the transformative power of service. By putting the needs of others before our own, we get great outcomes. There you are, 10 amazing quotes from Oprah, Gandhi, and Earl Nightingale. Remember, be the change that you wish to see in the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and share for more content like this one.